I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and we're going to be unboxing the Lava Red Powerbeats Pro. Retail price $250, but I got these for $160 from Best Buy. Really sweet deal. I've been going back to the gym and I figured I need a new pair of wireless earbuds. These really seem to fit the bill, especially since I do a lot of basketball as well. It's a lot of movement going around, you know, can't have your AirPods falling out. I do have some experience with wireless earbuds. I've unboxed AirPods in this channel. I've unboxed fake AirPods in this channel. I do like AirPods, but I tried on AirPods Pros and I've talked to my friends who have them and they all said that they do fall out. I wanted something that will stay secure. So yeah, it's a nice slide off. Hopefully the unboxing experience is nice, because I remember unboxing the Beats Solo 3s and that was a very nice treat to have. Okay, so this is it. It's very big boy. It's a very big boy. Okay, look at this. Unbox this. Sheesh. Okay, so this charges through Lightning. So it's the same type of charger as your iPhone, so you don't got to bring two chargers, just like the AirPods. That's good. Okay. Go. It's a black Lightning cable. Okay. Here, there's different ear tips. Fast fuel, 5-minute charge equals 1.5 hours play. That's good, you know, just in case you forgot to charge it and you have to go to the gym real quick. That's usually how long my gym sessions are, 1.5 hours. So okay, you can peel this off, okay? There's a small, medium, and a large, and then you got your stickers. I might put this one on the PS5, I don't know. Then, you know, warranty card and stuff. This does have the H1 chip, so it connects the same way that the AirPods do when you have an iPhone. Basically, it's gonna have a more seamless connection than the traditional Bluetooth pairing. That's the Lightning port right there. It says to pair, keep headphones in case. All right, that's the left one right there. One thing I noticed is that the actual part of the earbuds that go in your ear, it kind of looks like the head of the AirPods Pro. Here's the other piece of the pair. Here, that's the magnet to connect to the case and charge. Take it out like this. It goes back in like this, like that. It's charging, goes. Oh yeah, by the way, it's not wireless charging, but okay. There's an indicator though, so that's good. I'm gonna put these on my ears real quick. Okay, it's a very secure fit. I definitely don't think these are ever gonna fall out anytime soon. But like putting them on is kind of weird, so I'll have to get used to that movement, but look at that. That's how it looks. Definitely a very secure fit. Yep, it doesn't feel like AirPods where like it's not gonna fall out, but it feels like it's gonna fall out. And then if you do a lot of movements, it's definitely gonna fall out, but these, staying on the whole time, okay? So, for the buttons, it's 1 tap to play or pause, 2 taps to fast forward, 3 taps to go back, and then for calls, I think it's like a double tap to end the call or whatever. 9 hours of battery life per earbud, and then you get 20 hours with this case, 20 extra hours. And then it's water resistant as well, sweat resistant. You got a volume rocker right here. Here's volume, so that's good. With the AirPods, they don't have any volume control buttons, so you have to tell Siri to go up. Oh, Siri, volume up. Obviously, you would sound like a dumbass if you're in the gym and doing that, so. It's time to set it up. I'm on my iPhone now. Make sure the Bluetooth is turned on your phone, and then open the case. There we go. I took like 2-3 seconds to recognize it. Powerbeats Pro, connect, announce messages. I don't need that. Wow, it already knows my name. and it labeled it automatically Ethan's Powerbeats Pro. That's cool. 75% on the earbuds and 13% on the case, so I'm gonna have to charge the case after this. But okay, that's the setup. Let's see what options they have in the settings. Automatic ear detection, microphone. Let's see, is it connected already? Okay, I can switch to the Powerbeats Pro. It's connected. I can also share audio and stuff. That's cool. Okay, I was listening to some Run DMC. Let me resume that. When you put them on, there's a little sound. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Instantly, I just know the audio, like it's very bassy, and I can hear all the details in the music, like the guitar riffs and stuff. But let's go play a very bassy song, man. Right here, bro. Oh man, bro. I'm gonna cool with a cuddle. Posted with my bro. Posted with my Prada. I'm serving that bass. I got me some thoughts. They thought I was gay. Man, bro, I'm sorry. Like, I wish y'all could vibe with me, but it's copyrighted music. I'm sorry. In total, there's 4 ear tips. I'm trying to see if this little package is reusable. I guess. The presentation is amazing though. When you open these up from the case, like, come on now. That looks insane. Like the way that the red color pops, oh my gosh, crazy. Then indicator for charging. And that's that, you know, slip it in your pocket. Sheesh. Don't forget to subscribe to see my full review on this and to see more tech videos like the PS5, you know, some PC tutorials, and make sure to follow my Instagram too, because it'll be fun. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. I was just about to wrap up. I almost forgot to take off this sticker, man. Shit. Let's see. Want to hear that peel? Some ASMR moments, you know. Yeah.